Alright, so in this video I'll be going over the bottom half of the toolbar, which mainly focuses on formatting. And the first option we have here is this block format option. So with this we can quickly add an HTML tag to text without using the HTML editor. So just to show you, if I highlight a word and select this block format option, we have different HTML options. So we have all these different heading styles, paragraph tag, block quote tag, and a pre-formatted text tag. And just to show you, I'm just going to go ahead and change this heading here to an H1. So we can actually do this without going into the HTML editor if it seems a little too daunting for you. And we can go ahead and change it around also. Okay, so the next three options we have are bold, italic, and strike through. So they're pretty self-explanatory. If you want to add a bold effect to the text, we can just select bold, italic, or strike through. Okay, so next to that we have the list tag. So we have an unordered list and an ordered list. So all we need to do is put our cursor where we want the list to start and select one of the options. And once we type something in, once we hit enter, it'll go down to the next option. And we can actually change this directly to an ordered list if we want. Okay, so the next two options are indentation related. So you can just put your cursor in the front of this paragraph, and if you want to add more indentation, we can just select that, or we can select a decreased indentation. Alright, so the next two are superscript and subscript. So if we want to make a letter or number super or subscript, we can just highlight it and select whether we want it to be super or subscript. And the next group of options are all table related. So when we create a table, once we've already made that table, we can still go ahead and add rows, add columns, basically all the same options we had when we used the table option in the very beginning. Alright, so next to that, we have the horizontal rule. So if we just want to add a horizontal rule without using the HTML editor here, we can just select that and it'll automatically put that rule in for us. And next to that, we have the option to remove formatting. So basically with this, one thing that makes it nice is if you already have a link set up and you want to take that link away, we can just highlight that link and select the remove formatting option instead of going into the HTML editor and removing the link manually. And next to that, we have the actual HTML editor. So if you actually know HTML well enough to use this, go ahead. And that's pretty much it for the formatting toolbar in CleanSlate.